Children, today we will start our new chapter, that is agriculture, in the geography 5th chapter. Okay, geography 5th chapter, agriculture. You all know about the agriculture, that our mostly population are dependent on the agriculture only. Indians most 70% population are dependent on the agriculture. So the agriculture is one of the most important economic activities in the world. इकोनॉमिकली बेस में भी हम देखा जाए तो एग्रीकल्चर प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल्स. द डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म बाय द ह्यूमन बींग्स आर ब्रॉडली ग्रुप्ड इनटू 3 categories. So these activities will be broadly divided into 3 activities. Agriculture activities divided into 3 activities: primary, secondary and tertiary. In the primary activities include the extraction of the raw material from the earth surface. Raw material निकाला जाता है earth surface से, that is primary activities. The main primary activities like hunting, food gathering, paternalism, fishing, forestry, mining, agriculture. Means primary activities will consist of this activities: fishing करना, hunting करना, earth surface से directly निकालना, that is primary activities. Secondary includes प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ दैट रॉ मटेरियल. मीन्स यहाँ से रॉ मटेरियल निकाला, देन उसको प्रोसेस किया इन द हायर लेवल फिनिश्ड गुड में बनाने के लिए, टू मेक देम इन द हायर लेवल वैल्यूएबल गुड. सो द मेन सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज़ इंक्लूड इंडस्ट्रीज़ में जो काम किया जाता है, लाइक आयरन आउट्स निकाला जाता है और आयरन बनाया जाता है, स्टील्स फ्रॉम द आयरन और वीविंग क्लॉथ्स. दिस विल बी द सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ द पर्सन. In the tertiary activities includes all types of the services which support the primary and secondary. Means इसमें जो workers लगते हैं, जो भी services लगती है, that is tertiary activities which needs to be support primary and secondary, like transport charges, trade, business लगता है ना, सभी तो sale होता है market में, education, banking, insurance, advertising, means which will be required to make the primary and secondary activities effectively. So that will be contained under the tertiary activity. Okay, clear? Primary raw material, secondary उसको प्रोसेस करना, tertiary उसमें जो भी चीज़ आपको लगती है, सर्विसेज लगती है, that is the tertiary activities. Clear? This is the 3 broadly division of the agriculture. Nextly, it is given agriculture is a primary activity and is closely related to natural environment. It is closely related, obviously agriculture closely natural environment पे ही depend करता है. The term agriculture has been derived from the Latin word that is ager, meaning soil, and culture meaning cultivation. Means agriculture word is derived from the ager and culture. Ager, Latin word ager means soil, and culture means cultivation, means soil cultivation. Totally agriculture means soil cultivation. Thus agriculture is defined as an art, science of cultivating the soil and raising crops and livestock. So the definition of agriculture is a art of science cultivating soil and crops cultivate करना to make it in the livestock. It is still not known when the agriculture actually started. We are not knowing when the agriculture has started. But the primitive man who offered gatherer, अपन को ये पता है लेकिन कि पहले के जो पर्सन्स होते थे, ह्यूमन बींग्स होते थे, वो फूड गैदर करते थे जगह जगह जा जाके. लेटर द इन्वेंशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर हेल्प देम टू लीड अ सेटल लाइफ. देन फूड इकट्ठा करते करते उनको ये भी लगा कि आप इसके फूड को ग्रो भी कर सकते हैं एक प्लेस पे. देन दे स्टार्ट द सेटलिंग ऑफ देयर लाइफ इन थ्रू द एग्रीकल्चर ओनली, है ना. फर्स्ट इनकम भी आपकी एग्रीकल्चर ही से हुई थी ह्यूमन बींग को. सो एट प्रेजेंट though we are living on industrial age, still more than half of the our world's population is directly or indirectly engaged in agriculture. आज की डेट में भी though we are living in the agriculture industrial age, है ना, industrial age में recently we are all depend on the industrial reason, we are called as an industrial region, but still half of our population directly or indirectly depend on the agriculture. About 61.5% of Indians total population is dependent on agriculture. Yeah, 61% आपके agriculture पे depend है आज भी population इंडिया की. So with the spread of agriculture as a global activity, great progress has been made in every aspect of the crop production, such as means with the increase of the agriculture progress, major changes will be done in the crop production also, like plowing, sowing, agriculture, weeding, harvesting. This will be made more clearly, this will be made more technologically. Human being has also developed various means techniques to increase this agriculture प्रोडक्शन. ह्यूमन बींग्स से हमें बहुत सपोर्ट दिया इसको इंक्रीज़ करने, एग्रीकल्चर के प्रोडक्ट्स को इंक्रीज़ करने में. It was necessary to meet the increasing demand of food for growing population. So it is very necessary that as the population is increasing, so we have to provide the food to that population. So agriculture की भी इंक्रीमेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, डिमांड को सप्लाई जितना करना. So the introduction of farm machineries helped to increase the crop production and brought more area under the cultivation. So we need more area for the doing the agriculture because we are having the great population. So more machinery will be required to do the great production. Agriculture provides not only food for the human beings and animals, but it is all the main source of material for industries. Industry भी work नहीं करेगी अगर agriculture नहीं होगा, because in the industries raw material was taken from the agriculture only, है ना, agriculture से लाया जाता है. So to run the industries, agriculture will be the main producer, or agriculture will be main element to run the industries, such as textiles, sugar and oil industries. The main raw material will be came from the agriculture only. So it also acts as a consumer of the industrial product like machinery, fertilizer, pesticides. All will act as an essential role in the industries. This all will be play a very important role in industries. So the prosperity of industrial sector depends upon, we can say that कि all our population or all the industrial sector will only depend on the agriculture prosperity. Agriculture पे ही industries totally depend है. Shortly we can say that. So this is a very much important that we have to understand about the agriculture, because our industry is now fully depend on the agriculture only. Clear till here?